So here's the inside. There's the roof with the wiggle boards. Those ceiling joists are about 1 foot apart. There's the original upholstery. It's held up pretty darn well. I had to shorten the back rests on the seats, of course, to get them to fit. So just remove some of the upholstery, cut the plywood, put the upholstery back on. What else can I tell you? We've still got the propane and all the connections for the stove and the sink. I think that's about it. I can't think of anything else to tell you about, except see how we painted those PVC poles? We painted them to kind of match so they wouldn't stand out so bad if they were all white. Okay, well there you go. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments. See you.